Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to talk about if it is possible to see if someone muted you on WhatsApp. So let's start. So first, let's go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Okay, and here, let's try to choose a contact, say for example, this one. All right, now for the question if it is possible to see if someone muted you on WhatsApp, the short answer is no. There is no possible way for you to tell if someone muted you in WhatsApp. But there are a few things that you can actually do to give you an idea if someone muted you on WhatsApp. So say for example, if I am going to send a message for this one, and you see that this has only one check, it means to say that this contact did not see your message. All right, so if you sent this message maybe 3 days or 4 days ago and still it's only one check, it is possible that this person actually muted you and did not read your messages. Now, that is the only possible way that can give you an idea if someone muted you on WhatsApp. And there is no official way from WhatsApp to tell if someone muted you in WhatsApp. All right, so I hope this is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.